No,
Don't know.
don't know.
Don't go get go here fine.
Na Agnes Oka. Ito mo to.
Okay. Go ke Ada and Eben gi bia Ali Igbake.
Ada and Eben. Oga gi meguma ya kwaswe. Meka ke Ada and Eben ye ndi nzeri ala na. Ya ka nangwa ga ke nga jeme sanawe. Da ke Ada and Eben ahụ ki ndi nzeri. Ka nne ije ọ ga-alụ agwa nye weke nyabaka Ada and Eben ye ndị nzere nri akịlụbịgba.
Okay. Elebe kwa zo kia di Ada and Eben.
Ijuku ake ha iwọba.
Okay, ya kweli use oge wa. Okay, before akiawe Ada and Eben bia Igbake. Kini ke ndi Igbake dey use?
Ani ihe we use oni ọfọ rena onye chidum akịrịsị ọfọ eche nke eze nwe Ada and Eben ndị kahi nwe ọfọ.
Okay. Okay, before we were head that Ada and Eben bia Ali Igbake. Okay, well you use OFO shin.
Ọfọ wari use afọ ahụ shi wade use Ada and Eben.
Okay, Ali Igbake.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that our grandmother from Igbanke said. That woman is from Igbanke. She was being interviewed by a son from Igbanke. What that woman was saying in that video was that Ada and Eben was introduced to Igbanke people. That's the Oba palace that gave them Ada and Eben. She said that what they use in Igbanke is OFO. Listen, she said it's OFO. What they use is OFO. That Ada and Eben was introduced to them. They are elders in Igbanke known as Ndi Nze. She said that those Ndi Nze are the ones that were giving Ada and Eben. But that the leader of every kindred, known as Onyenachi Idumu. Idumu means kindred. Madokini Nachi Idumu. That Onyenachi Idumu is the person holding OFO. Just like in every family, there is a person holding OFO. That person is the leader of that kindred, the leader of that family. Now, how did OFO enter Igbanke land? It came through their ancestors. In the entire Igbo race, OFO is the mantle of justice and leadership. A leader in Igbo land holds an OFO. In our region in Okwane, our Okpalukus are OFO holders. They hold the OFO. The Okpaluku of Umuchime have his OFO. Okpaluku of Obogume have his OFO. That is how we do it in Okwane land. In Okwane land, OFO is the leader of Okwane land. So also in other Igbo regions, OFO is the leader. In Igbo land, OFO leads us. OFO is the leader of the Igbo race. And that's why the leader of every kindred have their OFO. The OFO holder is the leader of that kindred, the leader of that family. In every Igbo region, both in Okwane, Kaenwani, Ikwere, Oba, Ekpeye, Afikpo, Olo, Nsokai, every corner of Igbo land, we use that OFO. Ada and Eben was introduced to them, shows that they are not Bini people. Because since their history, what they use is OFO and not Ada and Eben. And up to today in Igbanke land, so many kindred families all have OFO. If you go to Igbanke land, their kings have OFO. If Bini people are the ones that founded Igbanke land, how did OFO enter there? Because we know that Bini people don't use OFO. It's alien to them. They don't know how OFO looks like. So anywhere that you see OFO in Nigeria is Igbo land and territory. Anyone that uses OFO is an Igbo person. Only Igbos use OFO. Non-Igbo speaking tribes in Nigeria don't use OFO. Anyone that tells you that they don't speak Igbo in their community, but they have OFO, that community have Igbo origin. They are of Igbo origin. That OFO signifies Igbo origin. But anyone can use Ada and Eben. Yes, anyone can use Ada and Eben. Ika people are using Ada and Eben. They are not Bini people. Some communities in Okwa, you will see Ada and Eben there. They are not Bini people. Because Ada and Eben, you can acquire it anytime. If you go to Bini land now and they make you a chief there, they will give you Ada and Eben to show that you are a chief there. They will give you Ada and Eben even where you are not a Bini person. Say you collect one title for that place and say the Oba give you title. He don't give you title, he give you Ada and Eben. No be say you be Bini person. But in Igbo land, we cannot give you OFO no matter who you are to the Igbo race. No matter who you are, if you come to Igbo land, we can never give you OFO, say take OFO. No, now, we don't do such a thing. We can give you title, Wefi, Odogu, this, that. But we can never give you OFO. OFO is very sacred. The most sacred thing in Igbo land is OFO. Every Igbo person fears the OFO. You see, OFO, we fear OFO. That's why a sacrilegious person can never hold that OFO. OFO holders are holy people, very holy people. An OFO holder does not lie. He does not cheat people. He always stands by the truth. So anybody, we can't just come out and give you OFO. No. OFO is passed down from generation to generation in Igbo land. If the OFO holder in this family joins his ancestors, another person will emerge and OFO will be granted to him as the leader of that kindred, of that family. You, an Igbo person, can be given Ada and Eben in Bini. You can be a friend to the Oba of Bini, and he will give you a title. If you are not a Bini person, he will give you a title. He will give you Ada and Eben as part of them. And if you now go now and found another settlement now, Bini people will start claiming that you are a Bini person. How? You are not a Bini person. That's why you will see Ezechime, Akalaka, Anaba. They use Ada and Eben, but they are not Bini people. When Ezechime entered Bini, the Oba of Bini made him his friend. They became friends. The Oba of Bini gave him a title known as Iyase title, which means the chief warrior of Bini people, according to late chief Edebiri, the Esobam of Bini. And when he was given that title, he was given Ada and Eben. That was how Ezechime people use Ada and Eben till date. Not that they are Bini people. And this is to tell you that Ada and Eben does not determine origin. You don't use Ada and Eben, not me say he be Bini person. Akalaka, the founder of some part of Ikwere, is not a Bini man, but he uses Ada and Eben. If you see the statue of Akalaka in Ikwere land, he is holding Ada and Eben. He's not a Bini man. His brother Ochichi, the same thing. That's why you be seeing some of these Ikwere people telling you, we are Bini people. Show us proof that Akalaka and Ochichi, his brother, are Bini people. No way. What is the meaning of Akalaka? Destiny. What is the meaning of Ochichi? Ruler, leader. Ochichi also means darkness. What is the meaning of Ochichi in Bini language? They don't know. What is the meaning of Akalaka in Bini language? They don't know. No single Bini person since their history bears Akalaka as a name. There is nothing in Bini, no single thing in Bini, a thing called Akalaka, they don't have it there. There is no Bini word that has chi on it. They don't use those words. Ochichi, what's the meaning of Ochichi in Bini? Nothing. Those two men are not Bini people. Up to today, Ikwere or Badekwe people don't have proof to tell us that these two men are Bini people. They are just denying their Igbo origin, just to stay separate. But they don't know that they are shooting themselves in the foot. Okay, how come Ikwere people use OFO if they are from Bini? So how come Ikwere people, Oba people and Ekpe people use OFO if truly they are from Bini? Bini people don't use OFO. So how did OFO enter Ikwere, Oba and Ekpe land? So these people denying their Igbo origin are wasting their time. How did Okpa people, Ikwere people and Ekpe people use OFO? How did OFO enter your land? Tell us. How did OFO enter your land? Akalaka and Ochichi, his brother, ran away from Bini Kingdom. The way Ezechime ran away from Bini Kingdom. They are not Bini people. That's why they ran away. Because Bini people were looking for them to kill them. They ran away to their present location. They are not Bini people. Ezechime and his friend Anaba, they ran away together from Bini Kingdom. According to the Oza of Obonkpa Kingdom, Obonkpa Kingdom was founded by Anaba. And Anaba is from Ogidi. That's why he's called Anaba Ogidi. Anaba have Ada and Eben, but he is not a Bini man. This is to tell you that Ada and Eben does not signify Bini origin. You dey use Ada and Eben not show say you be Bini person. So Bini people saying that Igbanke people use Ada and Eben shows that they are Bini people is a lie. Just like the woman said that Ada and Eben was given to Ndi Nzere, the Nze chiefs in Igbanke land. They did not inherit it. It was given to them. Listen, Ada and Eben was not inherited in Igbanke land. It was given to them by Bini people. So OFO is proof that we all are Igbos. Every Igbo speaking community that uses OFO are Igbo people. And every non-Igbo speaking community that uses OFO have Igbo origin. Such community is of Igbo origin. So Igbanke people are Igbos. Igbanke people are not Bini people. Everything about Igbanke people shows that they are of Igbo origin. Every Igbo community are one people and one family. We use OFO, and OFO is the first determinant of Igbo identity. Remain blessed, my people. Ishie Wale.